Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this two-piece vent cover for your RV or elsewhere that you might need to cover a vent or exterior place. So these come with a couple of silicone seals that go around the outside here to make sure it doesn't like scratch up your RV or wherever you're putting this on. So if you have an RV, you'll notice, or you'll know that a lot of times they get these fly infestations or whatever. So that can happen when those little buggers just get in there and they start laying their eggs and whatnot. So it's really annoying. So the best way to keep that from happening in the first place is have a little cover on there so they can't get in there. So they get in through the exhaust in different areas like that. So it's nice to have these little guys so you can cover that up so they can't get in there. So this features this little tool which allows you to hook that spring on there and then push that in there and get that spring to hook down onto the vent thing and lock that over the top so no bugs can get in. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But nice little thing here. Very handy if you want to keep those little bugs out of where they shouldn't be so you don't have an infestation or something like that. So let's go install these for you. All right, my friends, so here we go. Going to just install this over this vent cover or over this vent here, and this is just gonna stop any bugs from going in there. So we just get our little tool here and we can push this through one of the holes on this just like that, and then push it through here and get this spring attached on the end of this here, just like that. Then we can push it through and get it hooked on. So you got to stretch it out a little bit and hook it onto that piece there. So here we go. Just get it hooked on there. Put this over the vent, push it in there, and then we can just kind of rotate that, and there we have it. That locks in over place of that, and that's going to keep any flies from flying in there and getting up into your system, causing annoyances and stuff like that. And potentially you don't want this is small enough so like perhaps a mouse or something could get in there as well. So it's just a good idea to plug up your vents, and this is a very nice and inexpensive way to make sure that is taken care of. So we'll do our second one here. Just push it through the hole there and get your spring on the end of that. So I try to push it through and just like that, get the spring in between there like that. Then your little vent cover, oops, you got to keep the tension on there or else it'll kind of come off of there. Okay, there we go. And then that just is going to latch on right like that. And there you have it, easy as pie. Just hooks on there, and now our vents are protected. Thanks so much for watching, my friends.